There are creators on this platform that make more than $5,000 a month with just one channel. A lot of those creators are not even showing their faces to the audience, but they are making a lot of money with faceless YouTube channels. I personally know some creators who quit their jobs and now creating content for YouTube as full-time content creators. To be honest, I'm one of those persons. Honestly, YouTube automation can change your life completely. Let me ask you a question. Which is profitable? Starting a long video channel or short video channel? A lot of people ask this question from me. The honest answer is, you can make more money from a long video YouTube channel than a short video channel. But if you are looking to grow faster, short videos are the best. This content creator has gained 1.2 million subscribers with only 98 videos. This creator has posted the first video just a year ago. Creating a channel like this is not that hard. You only need the consistency. In today's video, I will talk about why this channel has gained a lot of attention within a short period of time and how you can create videos like this and start your own channel with this niche. This niche is a sub-niche of motivation. Not just motivation, this niche is about helping men to become their best versions and improving themselves. That's why these videos have got a lot of views, because the targeted audience for this niche is massive. Honestly, it's not too late to start a channel like this because the competition is very low. And the best thing is we are going to make long videos. Therefore, your income is going to be higher as well. Let's start the video creation process. The first thing we must do is to create the video script. I'm going to use ChatGPT for that. This is very important. You can't just use a simple prompt to create a script for this niche. That's why I have generated this specific prompt for this. Check the comment on this video. I will leave this prompt as a comment. I have also attached an example video script so that ChatGPT can understand this niche. All you need to do is copy the prompt and change the video topic. Let's generate this. I think this script is really good for this video. This video is going to be a long video, therefore we can't use only images for this. That's why I decided to use an AI tool to create this whole video. By using this AI tool, we can create monetizable videos for this niche within just a few minutes. Normally when creating a video like this, we have to generate a script, then create voiceovers, then find suitable stock footage and images, and finally, we have to edit those using a video editor. You can do all these things with this AI tool within minutes. The AI tool I'm going to use today is called InVideo.AI. Using this AI, you can create natural and unique scripts, and they will create the video using necessary stock footage and AI voices. The crazy thing is, after generating the video, you can edit or replace any part from that video. Using this AI is similar to using 3 different AI tools. So, let's go to InVideo.AI. First, let me explain why this AI is really important and worth the price. As you can see here, they have these 3 pricing plans. For $25, you will get 50 minutes, which would be enough for at least 45 TikTok videos. And you are getting royalty-free stock footage worth $1,000 and 100 GB of space as well. They have this feature where you can clone your own voice as an AI voice and use that voice for your videos. With this $25 plan, you can clone 2 voices. I have purchased the yearly plan, which brings it down to $20 a month. And let's start the video creation process. Once you sign up for your account, you will come to this page. This is where all the magic happens. You can simply explain the video you want to create in this box with all the instructions, and this AI will create everything from scratch. You can use the same prompt that I created earlier for this video. Just copy that prompt here. In this case, I'm going to go with the script that we already created. For that, you need to select this script to video option here. From this top menu, you can select the type of video you want. You can use this AI to make videos for Instagram and TikTok as well. In this case, we need to select YouTube videos. Then, just copy the script we generated previously and paste it here. After that, we need to select what type of background music we need for this video. This is really simple. All you need to do is type it here. For this video, I think let's use dark and energetic background music. From here, you can select the AI voice. I think a male voice would be good for this video. Then you can select any accent from these. We have clear American accents, British accents, and more options. Let's say that you want to use your own voice for this video. It's very simple. All you need to do is go to the home page and select this drop-down menu. Then you need to select this voice option. Then click this add voice option. This is where you can clone your voice. You need to upload a 30-second or more voice recording of your voice. And most importantly, you must say, I give InVideo.AI the permission to use my voice in this workspace. And make sure that you talk naturally and use a high-quality voice recorder. So, just drag and drop the audio file here. After this uploading is completed, all you need to do is tick these boxes and click this button. It will make a clone of your voice. Now if you go back to the previous page, you can see this new option called My Voice, so I'm going to select it and use for this video. Now you can select which type of subtitles you need to add to this. There are a lot of options such as bold text with popping effects, clean subtitles with outlines, and more. For this video, I will add classic Harmozy subtitles. Now if you want, you can add a watermark to this video. Just type it here, it's optional. Then, you can select whether to use iStock footages or not. I will select this option, which is to use iStock as needed. Then, from here, I will select Use the best audio available option. This makes everything super easy. Now let's generate this video. Click this Generate a Video button again. It will take several seconds to analyze this video. After that is completed, they will give a summary like this. If you want to change certain things, you can change those. I think is perfect for this, and I'm going to continue. Within a few minutes, this will generate our video. As you can see here, our video generation process is done, and it has around 4 minutes of duration. Let's check it.
Today we'll talk about 10 things high-value men do to build their strength and character. This isn't for the faint-hearted, so if you're ready to transform, keep watching.
Wow, this AI has done an amazing job with the voice cloning part. I'm really impressed with this. Now let's say you need to edit this video. You can use this command box for that. You can use commands like delete the chapter, remove the background for this. And if you click this edit button, you will be able to edit the video footages that they have used to make this video. You can replace those and add new images as well. You can edit the script as well with this option. And most importantly, if you want to replace background music, you can do that here. Here you can see all the audio files that this AI has used for your video. If you don't like that, you can replace those. I'm going to give this a command, which is to add a subtitle where the current spoken word is in red. Now let's generate again. As you can see here, this AI has done the subtitle exactly like I asked. After all the editing is done, you can click this export button and select the size of the video and download it. Now, this AI will give you all the information such as title, description, and timestamps of this video. You just need to copy these and upload them to your channel. It's really that simple. Now we are going to take this video to the next level. We are going to do it by adding some images related to famous fictional characters. For this niche, I'm going to add images of Joker, because I think the voice I used is very similar to his voice. Let's use InVideo.AI for this process. Now, I'm not saying you guys to use the Joker if you all use it. Where is the uniqueness? So, make sure to use other fictional characters as well. Let's generate an image. I'm going to use a prompt like this. Okay, this image is great. Now let's remove its background. Click this small button and it will remove the background. Now we can download it as PNG file. Just like this, create several images of Joker in different angles. Now you can use a video editor like CapCut to add these images to the video. It's really that simple. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember, in this world, nothing is free. You need to work hard to earn money and never give up on your dreams.
Stop being weak. It's time to step up and become stronger. Today we'll talk about 10 things high-value men do to build their strength and character. This isn't for the faint-hearted, so if you're ready to transform, keep watching. First, high-value men stop seeking validation. Imagine being that guy who constantly needs approval from others. Pathetic, right? High-value men don't need to be told they're good enough because they already know it. They focus on their own growth and standards.